So you want to lose fat, get strong and stay lean for good. Now in terms of exercise, we do this through strength training and there's some fundamental calisthenics moves that will help with this. Before we begin, hit like, and if you're new here, hit subscribe and the bell to stay up to date with all things fat loss. Today we're looking at rowing. Rowing is another great compound movement to implement into your strength training for fat loss programs. It will stimulate the lats, the traps, the rhomboids, which are huge muscles in the upper body. Now make sure you know how to do a hollow body and active row before you do this. As mentioned in the last video, setup is key, and paying attention to the details when setting up is what separates novices and advanced trainees. Start behaving like an advanced trainee and set up like this. Start with the bar at ribcage height, no higher. Pull yourself tightly into the bar, resting on your heels. Activate the hollow body. Slowly lower yourself backwards, keeping the tailbone down and body in tension. Allow yourself to fall all the way back. Keep a tight grip through the hands. Pull your ribcage back to the bar by driving your elbows back. Pull until your ribcage touches the bar. The way to make this movement harder is to lower the bar and to get to a point where you can get yourself completely horizontal. However, I'd recommend to progress to barbell rows at this point, as it's an easier and more effective way to strengthen your rows by adding more load. It's important that you can effectively complete this movement before you move on to vertical pulling and pull-ups, as this will help build the muscles in an easier and simpler pulling movement. Thanks for watching. Please do like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.